Imagine this. Before words, before music, before stories, there was pattern. A rhythm hidden in silence. A language older than time itself. The universe does not speak in English or Sanskrit, in equations or poetry. It speaks in geometry. Sacred geometry is the invisible alphabet of existence. Every circle, every spiral, every triangle you see in nature is not random. It is the universe whispering its truth through form. Look at the stars above. The galaxies spin in vast spirals. That same spiral appears in a seashell lying quietly on a beach. The same spiral blooms in the heart of a sunflower. The same spiral even wends within your DNA. Coincidence? Or the universe repeating its signature? This is the Fibonacci spiral. One of the most beautiful examples of sacred geometry. It's the spiral of creation itself, endlessly unfolding, endlessly expanding. With every turn, life organizes itself in harmony. Sacred geometry is not just art, not just mathematics. It is the code of life. It is the matrix behind all existence. Take the flower of life. A pattern made of circles overlapping perfectly. At first glance, it looks simple. Just circles. But within this design lies every possible shape, every possible blueprint of reality. Artists, mystics, and scientists have all seen it as the seed of creation. From this pattern, you can draw the seed of life, the tree of life, and even the Platonic solids. The 5 shapes that form the foundation of all matter. The cube, tetrahedron, octahedron, icosahedron, and dodecahedron. These are the geometries of the elements: earth, fire, air, water, and ether. Ancient civilizations knew this secret. In India, yogis meditated on the Sri Yantra, 9 interlocking triangles, forming the universe in perfect symmetry. They said gazing at it aligned your mind with cosmic order. In Egypt, priests built the pyramids with geometric precision, their angles mirroring the stars, their shape amplifying energy like a cosmic antenna. In Europe, cathedrals rose, with rose windows patterned after sacred geometry, so that stepping inside was like walking into a living mandala. Every culture, every tradition, discovered that geometry was not man-made. It was divine. Even sound reveals its geometry. When you place sand on a vibrating plate, patterns emerge. This is called cymatics. And what do you see? Flowers, stars, mandalas, all born from vibration. The ancients were right. Sound creates form. Om, the primordial sound, is not just to be heard. It is to be seen, etched in geometry across the fabric of existence. And sacred geometry is not only out there in the cosmos, it is inside you. Your eyes follow the golden ratio. Your heartbeat creates a torus field of energy. Your chakras radiate patterns that mirror lotus petals and yantras. Even your very cells divide following geometric law. You are not separate from sacred geometry. You are sacred geometry. Your body is a temple, built upon cosmic mathematics. One of the most powerful shapes is the torus. Energy flowing out, circling around, flowing back in. It is the shape of your electromagnetic field. It is the shape of Earth's magnetic field. It is the shape of galaxies themselves. Everything breathes in this infinite loop. The torus reminds us, energy never dies. It only flows, endlessly, beautifully. So why is it called sacred? Because when you meditate on these shapes, something shifts inside you. Your mind quiets. Your breath deepens. You feel connected to yourself, to the earth, to the stars. Sacred geometry is not superstition. It is resonance. When you look at it, you are remembering something your soul already knows. You are aligning with the rhythm of creation itself. The circle, the square, the triangle. These are not just shapes. They are cosmic instructions. The ancients built temples, pyramids, and altars from them, not for decoration, but because they understood. Geometry is power. Geometry is energy. Geometry is the bridge between the seen and unseen. Today, science is beginning to rediscover what sages always knew. That geometry is not just in things. It is the thing. It is the architecture of reality. So, the next time you see a spiral in a seashell, or a honeycomb in a beehive, or a mandala in a temple, remember, it is not random. It is the language of the universe speaking to you. Sacred geometry whispers, you are not separate from creation. You are part of its pattern. You are woven into its design. You are the geometry of life itself. And the universe is always speaking to you.